Hey happy campers, welcome back to Camp Chef. Tonight I'm going to be cooking kind of a beef stew casserole. So I'll show you what I'm got for the ingredients. So I've got 3 small onions, 1 large one I suppose, 1.5. Swede, carrots, parsnip, sweet potato. We're using sweet potato, don't really want to use normal potato. Nice sweet flavour. Oil, salt and pepper, easy garlic, paprika, chopped tomatoes, cut the stock cubes, and some red wine. Oh, and the stewing beef. So I've got my fire going. Put quite a few coals on there. I'm going to transfer some of these to my small barbecue to do the kids' meals. So let them heat up. Got my Dutch oven ready. Flex in the pans, but I'm going to use those. With the beef I'd usually cover it in flour, but I haven't got any, so I'm going to have to go without. Just reduce it down more. So flour acts as a barrier for the beef, also a thickener as well for your sauce, but I'll just reduce it down some more, let it boil away. So let's prep this veg and get going. Obviously you can put what veg you want in your casserole, but gone for these today. Let's get going. Right, so I've got my pan up to temperature. Add new veg. I forgot one ingredient, which was chestnut mushrooms. Put those in, sweat that off. A little bit of oil on the bottom, put the lid on for about 15-20 minutes. And maintain your heat of the fire. We'll get on and do that, and then on to the next bit. So I've added chopped tomatoes, 2 stock cubes, a can and a half of water, salt and pepper, paprika, and half a packet of beef. There's quite a lot in there. I've used half a packet, probably about 500 grams, 750 grams, something like that. Let that get up. And then last thing, I'm going to add a good glug of the old red wine. Good glug of red wine, about a quarter of a bottle. Wine notes. Give that a good stir in. You don't want to cook this too quickly, otherwise your beef will be really tough. Make sure it's all covered in. Bring that up to the boil and then we'll move it up. It's already steaming now. And we'll move it up the chain so it doesn't steam too much. After an hour, just check the liquid level. Make sure that boiled away. We are. Beef and red wine stew. We're ready to be eaten. So that's what we cooked tonight, the old beef and red wine stew. More videos to come. Please subscribe and like the channel. Any questions on ingredients or whatever, please comment. And I'll see you next time.